So we're going to make some more adjustments to our report. We're going to start with a little formatting. We're going to click right in the serve date footer, and we're going to change the color of the background. And to do that, we're going to go into properties. And where it says back color, we're going to click, and then we're going to click on the ellipsis, 3 periods there. And we're going to choose that light blue-gray color, lighter 80%. And then what we want to do, let's close that. We want to make the count and sum controls transparent. So we're going to click on count, shift and click on sum. We're going to right click on them. And we're going to go to fill back color. And we are going to set that to transparent. And that way you can see the blue background. It'll be coming through. And we are going to do the exact same thing to the report footer. So let's click down here, go into properties, and we'll change the background color to that 80% lighter. And then we're going to select all of our number controls here. Right click, changing the fill to transparent. Now they also decided that they want all of these little totals to display in red. So let's go ahead and change them to red and bold. And we've already removed the border, but if you did not do that in the previous step, okay, you're going to want to go into the property sheet, select it, go into the property sheet, and where it says border style, change it to transparent. You just click and click the arrow. Okay, because you don't want lines around a single display area. So at this point, I believe we've made the formatting changes they want. So let's save this, take a look. And then we'll go back into design view. Now, if you go into report view, what they want us to change next is they want each month basically on a separate page. And it's actually not too difficult to do. So we're going to go into design view. It does require opening up that grouping and sorting panel again and clicking on more. And what we need to do where it says do not keep grouped together on one page, we need to change that. We want to keep the whole group together on one page. That's exactly what we want to do, so we're going to turn that on. And now we can close out of here. And let's save it, and then if you look, and we probably have to go into print preview to actually see this, but you can see now we have separate pages. And the last little adjustment they want us to make is to add our name to this upper right corner. So let's close out of here, go back into design view, and we're going to be adding a little label. And let's just click up here. So you're going to key in your first and last name. And I'll just kind of move it a little bit. Doesn't really matter to me where you have your name as long as it's on the right hand side. They want us to apply bold formatting to it and use that blue-gray accent 3 darker 50% color. Let's turn on the bold. And we want that very dark color. And you may need to widen up that entry box so that you can actually see your name after you boldface it. And then if you wanted to align it with your title at the bottom, I would go to Arrange, Align, and choose Bottom. That just makes them horizontally in alignment with each other. So at this point, we're pretty much done with everything. The only thing we forgot was to change the background color of the report footer to blue. So it should look the same as our date footer. So let us make this blue. There we go. And we've already got everything transparent. So at this point, we're going to save our changes and go into print preview. And now when we look, everything is exactly the way they would like it to be.